Welcome to the deep blue sea. Let's count ocean friends from 1 to 10. 1 jellyfish soft and slow. 1. 2 dolphins jump with glee. 2. 3 crabs go side to side. 3. 4 starfish sparkle bright. 4. 5 seahorses sway and glide. 5. 6 sea turtles calm and wise. 6. 7 clownfish zip and zoom. 7. 8 arms wave hello. 8. 9 bubbly fish float high. 9. 10 ocean friends all shout hooray. 10. From 1 to 10 we counted them all. Great job counting, ocean explorers.
Let's dive in and count with our ocean friends. 1 friendly fish swims by. Hello, little clownfish. 2 happy kids wave to the sea turtle, so slow and gentle. 3 bubbles rise up, pop, pop, pop. 4 sea stars sparkle on the ocean floor. 5 jellyfish jiggle and dance. Watch them wiggle. 6 seashells shine in the sand. Can you find them all? 7 crabs crawl sideways, clickety-clack. 8 dolphins leap through the waves, splash. 9 seaweed strands sway with the current, so wavy. 10 ocean friends smile and say, "Thanks for counting with us." Great job! You counted to 10 under the sea. Wow! You did amazing counting with our ocean friends. From 1 little fish to 10 smiling sea creatures, what a splashy adventure. Don't forget to come back and count with us again. And if you loved this video, tap the heart, share with a friend, and explore more fun with HEB Kids Learning World. Until next time, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep swimming in kindness. HEB Kids Learning World, where every number tells a story.